We have decided to join this program because Deutsche Telekom and Hubraum are one of the most powerful telcos worldwide and more innovative. And we are also an innovative company as XPLORA, and as XPLORA we wanted to just explore the option to partner together in this journey. eSIM will give us a lot of advantages in terms of design, in terms of customer use on the onboarding experience, in terms of producing and manufacturing better devices. So XPLORA can do the next jump with the eSIM and with Deutsche Telekom due to this kind of project. Yeah. What fascinates more? Yeah. So XPLORA products are super engaging with the kids and with the parents. So we are trying to keep the kids out, stay active and live, right? And so have a healthy life while producing peace of mind to parents. So what they most like is the quality, the waterproof, the camera. They enjoy these things, and with the new things that XPLORA is about to do with the gaming industry, jointly with PlayStation, I mean, everyone is amazed about our products. Yeah.